how they work, how they have, and birds how they use their beaks, how they use their claws to move from one place to one place, and how they use their beak to eat different types of foods. They eat some birds are there which eats the worms. Some birds are there which eats the seeds. Some birds are there which eats the which sucks the what food from the flowers. Yes, the different birds have a different creature of their body behaviors. Okay, we studied about that all things. Now we'll move on to the exercise part today. We'll solve the exercise. Before we start with the exercise, we'll start with the short prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. Repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बू फलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, now we'll start with the exercise today. Exercises. First one, A1. Tick correct the correct answer. What they told? Tick correct the correct answer. You have to select the correct answer and just you have to tick it. And these all ticking the correct answers and match the following, fill in the blanks. These all things they given a space here in your textbook. But then also you have to write in your class book. Okay? Don't miss it. Don't write here only in your textbook only. Please write in your class book also. Repeat. If once again also write it. Okay? Nothing will happen. It will revise you only. Okay? First one, beaks of eagles are what? Hooked, chisel shaped, broad, long and slender. Hooked. Okay, they have a too much strong. The first answer is hooked. Okay, next one. A bird that has a beak with a tiny holes at the sides could be. The bird that has a beak with a tiny holes at the side could be crow, sparrow, duck, eagle. ಮೂಗಿನ ಬಾಜು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತಾವ? Ducks. Which is that? Ducks. Third one. The claws of eagles are slender, webbed, sharp or a wide spreading. The claws of eagle, what is that? The sharp. They are sharp. The claws of eagles are sharp. Why they are sharp, children? To tear the flesh of other animals which they hunted now, to tear that flesh and eat. For that they want their claws will be sharpened. Okay, next one. Flamingos have a talons, webbed feet, short legs, wide spreading toes. Wide spreading toes. Why they want wide spreading toes? Because they are too tiny. Or they are too what we say, they are like a wood only, the tiny wood. And so what they want, they want it to stand on the water, and they can stand on the what we say, the muddy also. They can stand it on that, and they can eat the fishes, and they can hunt the other insects. Wide spreading toes. Okay, these are the four answers. Tick the correct answers. Four answers are there. Next one, name two birds of each types. Name two birds of each type. They given a name of the some of the type of birds. We have to just write two birds related to that. So copy these all things, children, the four answers. We'll move on to the second main. B part. They given a name of the some of the bird type. First one is flush, eating. I am writing just names. After that I will write the birds. Next one, perching. Next one, third one, budding. Fourth one, grain eating. Grain eating. First one, the flesh eating. Which is the flesh eating bird? Eagles. And one more is vulture. Okay, eagles and vultures. And the next one, perching will be what? Crows and sparrows. Wading. For wading, herons and flamingos. And the next one is grain eating, the sparrows and pigeons. And sparrows and pigeons. Okay, these are the two examples of the each type of a birds. These are the two examples for each type of birds. Okay, copy these all things, children. In your classwork only, I want it in your fair notes. These all things will be in the okay. Next one, question and answers. The next one is question and answer. I will just repeat it, and after that I will send you the photo image of these all question and answers. Okay. The first one, what type of a beaks do sparrows have? What type of a beaks the sparrows have? The sparrows have a short, hard and horny beaks. What they have? The sparrows have a two sharp beaks they have, and that will be too short. They are too short and that will be too hard. Okay. They have a too hard and short and horny beaks. Okay. Sparrows have a these type of a beaks. Next one. Why do parrot have a strong and curved beak? Parrots have the beak in curve agirtೈತಿ. Parrots have a strong and curved beak for cracking the nuts and seeds. ಒಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎದರದ seeds in ಮೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ nuts ನ ಒಡೆದು ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? Beak will be like this. The parrots are. Next one. Which bird have a chisel shaped beak? Chisel shaped beak. Why they have like that? The woodpecker have a chisel shaped beaks to tap the bark of a trees to take out the insect. ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ? ಕೊಂಬೆ ರಂಬೆ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಫುಲ್ ಬೀಕ್ಲೆ ಕುಕ್ಕಿ 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 ಒಡೆದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಂತಾವ. So they want what? Chisel shaped beaks. They want chisel shaped beaks. Next one. Which bird feed on a nectar? What type of a beak does it have? Hummingbird feed on a nectar. They have a long and slender beaks. They have a long and slender beaks. In your textbook also they given, see the hummingbird. They given in your textbook hummingbirds. See, they get the nectars from the flowers. Okay, so they have like a pin-like structure. They have the beaks will be like a pin-like structure, two pointed and two sharpened to get the nectar from the flowers. Okay, next one. Why do wading birds have a wide spreading toes? Why they have wide spreading toes? To stand on the water. I told you to get the stiffness. They want what? Wide spreading toes. They want wide spreading toes. Describe the feet of swimming birds. Swimming birds have a short legs. I told you they have a too much less distance between their body and the legs. They have a too short distance. Why they want that too short distance? To swim in the water. They swim on the water. They want what? Short distance legs. They have a 3 toes in the front and one will be the back. With that, the skin is spread over to that. The skins are spread over to that. Such feet are called as what? Webbed feet. I told you. Webbed feet. Okay. These are the question answers we finished off. And I will send you the question answers pictures on your WhatsApp group. Okay. Next we'll move on to the next one. Life skill. Birds use their beaks to handle their food in the same same way, we use our hands to eat food, but we also use different table way to eat our food. Okay, birds use their beaks to handle their food. Birds use their beaks to handle food. In the same way, we also use our hands to have food. Yes. Then they given a simple thing there down. Complete the following sentence by choosing the right word given in the bracket. They given a some of the answers there. We have to put that and make the sentence correctly. We use a spoon. We use a spoon to dash small portion of food. Pick up and cut. What we have to write? What we have to write there? Pick up. The first answer, the life skill. First answer, they given a two options there. Pick up and cut. Which we have to write? Which we have to write? Pick up. Second one. When eating soup, you should always hold a spoon horizontally or sideways. Horizontally. Horizontally we have to use spoon. Next one. Turn the page number 174. We use a knife to separate or cut up small portion of food. What we use? We use the knife to cut up or a separate. Cut up. To cut up the food, separate and eat. Fourth one. If you are right-handed, you should always hold the knife in your left or right. Where we use right or left hand and the fork in your dash hand. ನೀವೇನು left hand idra, you put it in the right hand, this one, and left hand this way. The first dash will be the right, the second dash will be left. Okay? The first dash will be right, the second dash will be left. We use a fork to pick up or cut a small portion of food. Why we use fork? To pick up the food and have it. We use fork to pick up. Okay, these are the answers of life skill. Please copy this in your classwork. Next one, values for life. Every morning, Anuj keeps some grains on his windows. Why does Anuj do so? Is Anuj carrying a person? Why he is showing that Anuj putting some of the seeds near to his window? Why he is keeping that? To feed the birds. He is keeping it daily for feeding the birds. Is it he is doing good? Yes, he is doing good thing. Okay, we also have to keep some of the grains and some of the waters near the window, or else keep it on the staircase. Okay, it will help to birds in the summer season. Yes. Okay. Next one, hearts they given. You have to think and answer for that. Hearts. Next one, project. We'll move on to the project. Collect a picture of a birds with a different types of beaks. Paste them in your scrapbook. Write their names and food they eat. You also have to do that. Collect some pictures of different birds. How they have a different types of beaks. How they use their claws. You have to paste it in your book. Okay. Do that. And what they eat and what is the name of that. You have to write below that. Okay, you also have to do at least 10 picture of the different birds, not similar birds. 10 different birds you have to write. Okay, next one, activity. Observe a tree near your house for 1 hour in the morning and evening. Make sure you are not noticed. Record the animals, bird visiting it. Do this exercise for 3 days. What they have to do? Near your house, trees near your house, trees will be there now. You have to daily observe that which type of birds are coming there and what they are doing morning and evening. Okay, you have to just observe them, what they are doing, how they are behaving, what they are eating, how they are climbing, how they are flying. Okay, how they interact with other birds. That all things you have to observe. 3 days you have to do that work. 3 days, morning, Okay, and after that evening, and record it in your textbook. You have to write about it. Okay, click a picture of a bird and paste it here. Click any bird picture and paste it in your textbook. Okay, this is the activity for you. Please complete this with full interest. If you are interested, then do it. If you are not also, you have to do it only. Okay, please complete this. And these all things today, what all exercise we did now, you have to write it in your classwork, in your fair notes. You have to write it in your fair notes and complete it and send me in the WhatsApp group. And one more thing, all of you have to complete your classworks. Anytime we'll call you for your classwork checking. That time, no excuses, no anything, whatever you tell will not accept only. Okay, please complete your classwork, and teachers are giving the homeworks in your videos only. Please check it out, and we'll send you the question and answers in a WhatsApp group. Copy from that. Okay children, see you in the next class. Bye.